Good afternoon, everyone. Am I audible? Okay. So, what were we discussing in the last class? Pricing, right?
External factors. Factors influencing price.
Yeah, factors influencing pricing. Okay. We'll just wait for 2 minutes. Let everyone join and then we'll start. Just wait for 2 minutes. Let everyone join and then we shall start. Okay. Okay. So we were. I gave you some notes, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Can anyone tell me like to which point we have discussed? There is a gap, so I do not.
External factors, 6 points complete.
6 points complete. Okay. And then.
Then 2 lines. External factors that influence price, demand, and investment. This line.
Okay. Did I share any notes with you like in PDF or something like that? No? Have you all understood what is pricing? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Did we discuss about the pricing objectives? Yes or no?
Yes, 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 ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Did I give you notes related to that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What were the objectives? Can anyone tell me?
All the 10.
I gave 10 objectives.
Yes.
Okay. Uh, yeah, tell me, just tell me.
Maximization of profit in short run.
Mm.
Optimization of profit in the long run.
Mm-hmm.
Maximum return on investment.
Okay.
Decreasing sales turnover.
Mm-hmm.
Fulfill sales target value.
Okay.
Obtain target market share.
Mm-hmm.
Penetration in market.
Mm-mm.
Tackle competition.
Mm-mm.
Recover investments faster.
Mm-mm.
Affordable pricing to target larger consumer group.
Okay. So what is left to discuss in pricing? You tell me that now. Mm. Okay, I think so we can start with this pricing strategies. Okay, so as we all know that pricing is the process of determining what a company will be receiving in exchange of delivering a product or service, right? So pricing a product involves different strategies. Okay, like we know that whenever a marketer needs to fix the price, that is one of the major decision that the marketer will be taking, and based on the decision the future of the company will be depending. Okay, the future of the company, it totally depends on the soundness of the initial pricing decision of the product that will be taken by the marketer. Understood? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So most companies, they do not consider pricing strategies in a major way or on a day to day basis, right? You know, like marketing of a new product, it always poses a problem, because whenever you are trying to launch a new product, that product has no past information. Nobody can tell that like after using the product it will be beneficial to them or not, or they will be liking the product or not, because it is very new to the market. So therefore fixing the price of a product is a major decision, because the ultimate sale of the product will depend on many factors, or out of all those factors pricing will be one of the major factor that will be taken into account. As I have told you, like for you it is a new product, but suppose there is a similar kind of product which is already available in the market of another company, of another brand. They have already like occupied a space in the market, and you will have to like you will have the challenge of you will have to face the challenge of competing them, isn't it? So here also the pricing will be playing a major role, because you cannot just give a price to your product which will incur you a loss, or which will not give you even your amount that you have invested in making the product. Okay, and moreover you cannot set a price in such a way that similar product of the same nature is available at lower price. Okay, understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
So here the price that will be fixed for the new product must have completed the entire research in advance only. Okay, and then it will also have to have the um, capacity to satisfy the public criteria. Okay, like people have to feel that after using your product, that product is like providing them safety. Okay, they are very well satisfied by using your product, and also the customer will have to feel that they are getting a product which is beneficial to them at a reasonable price. Okay, so when you are pricing a new product, there are like two types of pricing that can be selected. Okay, one type is the skimming price. Now what is this skimming price? Okay, when you are pricing a product, when a marketer is pricing a new product, two types of pricing can be selected. One is skimming price, the another is penetration price. Okay, now what is this skimming price? See, skimming price, it is also known as short period device for pricing. Skimming price, it is also known as short period device for pricing. Now here what happened, the companies, they tend to charge higher prices in initial stages. Okay, they tend to charge higher prices in the initial stages, where initially initial higher price will help them to skim the cream of the market, as the demand for new product is likely to be less price elastic in the early stages. You are getting my point? What is less price elastic? Less price
Ma'am, can you
elastic?
repeat?
Yeah, I'm repeating. First of all, skimming price is also known as short period device for pricing. Like this type of pricing will not be there for longer duration. It will be for a short period. They will be experiencing, like if they are giving a price to a product of this much, what is the sale of the product, okay, or is it able to um, develop some kind of demand within the customers or not. So when a company is adopting this skimming price, what they will tend to do, they will try to charge higher price at initial stage. When they will be launching the product, at that particular time they will be charging higher price for the product, okay. Their thinking will be like such, where if they are charging higher price at the initial stage, then they will be like trying to understand the demand for the new product. And suppose a new product has come to the market, okay, suppose a new product has come to the market and they have charged some price for that particular product. People do not go and start bargaining for that new product, okay. So price elasticity is less. Price elasticity means there is no kind of bargaining between the customer and the marketer when that product is new. The marketer will try to disclose the product in front of the customer by telling its benefits, or what is the purpose of the product, or what are the benefits that the customer will be earning, and then they will directly say the price is this much, okay. When a new product comes, okay, when a new product comes, customer they have much lesser tendency to bargain. The price elasticity is not there. They have the like lesser tendency to bargain at the early stage. But when that particular product becomes old in the market, after that the customer comes and like tells to the marketer that this product is very old and I'm not going to pay this much for this product. But at initial stage, customers generally do not do that. So having this confidence within themselves, the marketers, what they are trying to do, they are trying to charge higher at the initial stages, or at the stage when they are trying to bring the product to the market. Understanding what I wanted to say? Yes or no?
ma'am.
Yes. The next type of pricing is penetration price. Now what is penetration price? Just the opposite of skimming price. In penetration price, the pricing will be lowest. Lowest price will be charged for the new product, and this will be adopted. This strategy or this type of pricing will be adopted when already a competitor selling similar kind of product is available in the market. So when similar type of product is already available in the market, and when you introduce your product into the market, giving it at a very low price, customers automatically get attracted and they feel that they were paying uselessly high for that product at the earlier time, and they get attracted towards your product. This penetration price is a long-term strategy. Okay, this is a long-term pricing strategy which is adopted, but it has to be adopted with caution. Now there are two things. One is like suppose you have entered, as I have told you, that pricing cannot be done just like that without having any kind of even if you do not have profit, at least the amount that you have invested in manufacturing the product, the amount that you have incurred in buying the raw materials that were required to buy the product. So ultimately, if I say the amount invested, that return to definitely you will want from your product. Now if the marketers, they go for lower price and sell in the market, so they are taking a very high risk. There are two things that can happen. Either one can be like, if they are pricing the product very low and a similar kind of product was already available in the market, so to challenge the competitor, they are pricing it low with the belief in themselves that customers will leave the previous product and they will come to buy from them. Now if more and more customers come to you, then selling the product at low price also will somehow bring some profit to you, because you have very much more number of customers. Understanding? So even though you are pricing it low, but you will have to keep in mind that at least the investment that you have made is coming out of selling the product. Pricing low doesn't mean that you are going to sell the product at any cost, like at any price, at a very low price, and even your cost of investment has also not come in return. I am not saying that. Penetration pricing doesn't mean that. It only means that you are trying only to have the investment back, not you are not trying to earn the profit. Understanding what I'm trying to tell?
Yes.
Clear? Both
Yes,
these pricing techniques are clear to you, skimming and penetration?
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone is clear? Have I confused you people? So you quickly write it down. I think so then it will be more clear. Just a second, okay? Write down. A business can use a variety of pricing strategies. A business can use a variety of pricing strategies when selling a product or service. A business can use a variety of pricing strategies when selling a product or service. Written? Give a full stop and write. The price can be set to maximize profitability. The price can be set to maximize profitability. Did you give the heading or not? Pricing strategies.
Yes, ma'am.
So the price can be set to maximize profitability for each unit sold. For each unit sold or from the market overall. Or from the market overall. Written?
Yes, ma'am.
It can be used to defend. It can be used to defend
Can be used to
defend DEFEND an existing market from new entrants it can be used to defend an existing market from new entrants ENTRANTS comma to increase market share, within a market, or to enter a new market, Change the paragraph and write, there is a need to follow certain guidelines in pricing of the new product, full stop. Following are the common pricing strategies. Write down. First one, pricing a new product. Write down. Fixing the first price of the product. Is a major decision. Fixing the first price of the product is a major decision. Full stop. The future of the company depends on the soundness of the initial pricing decision, of the product. Written. In large multidivisional companies, comma, top management needs to establish specific criteria for acceptance of new product ideas.
Ma'am, can you repeat?
Yeah, sure. Fixing the first price of the product is a major decision. The future of the company depends on the soundness of the initial pricing decision of the product. In large multi-divisional companies, top management needs to establish specific criteria for acceptance of new product ideas. Written? Yes? Completed or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Change the paragraph and write the price fixed for the new product. The price fixed for the new product price fixed for the new product must have completed the advanced research must have completed the advanced research and development comma satisfy public criteria such as public criteria such as consumer safety and earn good profits, such as consumer safety and earn good profits. After full stop, write down in pricing a new product, two types of pricing can be selected. In pricing a new product, two types of pricing can be selected. Write down first one, skimming price. Skimming price is known as SKIMMING. Okay, skimming price is known as short period device for pricing. Known as short period device for pricing. Okay, give a full stop and then write here companies tend to charge higher price in initial stages. Written, companies tend to charge higher prices in initial stages. Write write down after full stop. Initial high helps to initial high helps to initial high helps to within quotes you write skim the cream.
Ma'am, can you repeat?
Yeah. Skimming price is known as short period device for pricing. Here companies tend to charge higher price in initial stages. Okay, after full stop, initial high helps to within quotes you write skim the cream. Skim, SKIM, the cream of the market. Skim the cream within quotes. Okay, then after that you write of the market as the demand for new product is likely to be less price elastic in the early stages. Less price elastic in the early stages. Written. Now what this skim the price means? Price skimming. Okay, price skimming is nothing but, as I have told you, that you are charging at the initial stage with higher price, and successively with time you will lower down your price. Okay, so skimming strategy, it gets its name from skimming successive layers of cream or customer segments as prices are lowered over time. That is only what is meant by skim the cream. Understanding? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Write down the next type, penetration price. We will stop here today. Next strategy will be multiple product, then full cost pricing method, marginal cost pricing method, transfer pricing, dual pricing, price effect. So there are many strategies that we'll be studying in the next class. Today we will only write till skimming price, penetration price, and then we'll stop. So write down quickly. Penetration price is also referred as stay out price policy. Penetration price is also referred to as stay out price policy. After full stop you write in penetration pricing, lowest price for the new product is charged. In penetration pricing, lowest price for the new product is charged. Lowest price for the new product is charged. Written?
Yes, ma'am.
After that you write this helps in prompt sales. Prompt sales means increased sales. Okay, this helps in prompt sales. Ready kora? This helps in prompt sales and keeping the competitors away from the market. Written? After that write down full stop. It is a long term pricing strategy It is a long-term pricing strategy and should be adopted with great caution. It is a long-term pricing strategy and should be adopted with great caution. With great caution. Written? Respond to your roll calls. Amit, Asif, Vikas,
Present, ma'am.
Dipjyoti, Iftikhar,
Present, ma'am.
Kabiratna,
Present, ma'am.
Kusum,
Present, ma'am.
Water, Maleshwari, Hafizul, Navjot, Neha, Paul,
Present.
Paula Sharma, Papli, Prantika, Preeti,
Present, ma'am.
Priyanka,
ma'am. Present, ma'am.
Pulok,
Present, ma'am.
Rajkumari,
Present, ma'am.
Shabnam,
Present, ma'am.
Sumi, Tomthin.
Present, ma'am.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. So I hope whatever we discussed in today's class, it's clear to you people.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay then. See you in the next class.